Today's the day, and we couldn't be more excited. We're unboxing the brand new DJI Matrice 400, and this drone means serious business. Now, we know everyone is asking, what's in the box? Well, before we dive into the details, here's everything you'll find inside this rugged transport case. First up, we have the beautiful new DJI Matrice 400 airframe with the newly upgraded motors and propeller brackets. On top, we have the pre-installed low-altitude millimeter wave radar module, or LiDAR, for collision avoidance, a slightly lighter gray RC Plus remote controller, including one WB37 controller battery, controller harness, and a mounting bracket, a spare pair of massive propeller blades, spare screws, seals, cleaning and mounting hardware, a USB C2C cable, and of course, some documents. Everything is packed with the usual DJI precision, where each component is securely fitted in a custom foam layout that screams ready for action. And now, let's get into our first look at the Matrice 400 right out of the box. You will instantly notice that this aircraft sets a new bar for enterprise platform. The build quality is top tier. It's rugged, durable, and ready for the toughest jobs in the field. One standout feature is the redesigned arm and leg brackets. These feel incredibly robust and able to deploy fast and securely. You may also notice the aircraft sits with an aft pitch, nose high, tail low. And well, this is intentional, because in flight it levels out in forward motion for maximum payload performance. Underneath, you'll find 4 dedicated payload ports, E1 through E4, a skyport mount, and multiple threaded hard mounting points for third-party integrations. Flexibility is clearly the name of the game here. Surrounding the airframe, you got numerous omnidirectional vision sensors and a new side mounting strobing system for better visibility during complex and critical operations. These propellers are massive, designed with downward angled tips to decrease drag, increase efficiency, and reduce the noise. Combining that with these large motors, and this drone moves serious amounts of air with maximum control. Now let's talk about the new RC Plus. It's lighter, smarter, and features a new sub 2 GHz antenna system for long-range, rock-solid communications, located here on the back. And right away, I see the ports are clearly laid out. A USB-A and HDMI on top, USB-C and micro SD on the bottom. The screen, you ask, bright enough to handle any conditions you throw at it. Now there you have it, and we are absolutely pumped about the DJI Matrice 400. I am sure though you noticed we didn't mention anything about the batteries or charger, which sadly haven't arrived yet, but we're counting down the minutes till they do. So the moment they land, we'll be getting this bird in the air and bring you more real-world tests, mission performance, and flight footage. So stay tuned, because there is much more to come. The one thing I must say before wrapping up this video is that this drone isn't just an upgrade. It's a whole new chapter for public safety, survey, inspection, and beyond, raising the ceiling for UAV innovations worldwide. This is not just another drone. It's a new aerial platform. I'm Mike Den Hartog, Director of Customer Success with Fluor Drone Supply. And if you like our content, please go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and follow us for more in-depth videos from our team here at Fluor Drone Supply. And as always, enjoy your flight.